Good afternoon to you. There is some justice because last night, I got woken up by a loud clap of thunder, and I have to admit these thunderstorms were much more widespread last night than I originally thought, pushing their way steadily northwards, and a great rash of thunderstorms broke out in the early hours of the morning. Now the remnants of that are still drifting in through the Irish Sea and towards Northern Ireland, just a few showers coming and going, but also a thicker area of clouds, mainly just high-level cloud right now, but it's this region that could see more of those big showers developing through the West Country, through Wales and into Northern Ireland later through the afternoon and more especially early this evening. Now either side of that, a lot of fine dry weather. Scotland sees very warm already for many parts of the United Kingdom. We're already up to 22 or 23 degrees Celsius, and we could see a 24 or a 25 later on this afternoon, a bit cooler near those North Sea coasts with the breeze off the sea. Now, if we do get to 25, we'll equal the record for this day in May, the 10th of May. Highest temperature recorded back in 1954, also 1959, where we saw 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it does stay warm through tomorrow and into the weekend, but unfortunately it doesn't last, and by the time we get to next week, the cold air arrives, and once the northerly winds set in, it'll start to cool down quite significantly through Tuesday and into Wednesday. Overnight tonight, quite a mild night, 11 or 12, the minimum in the south, a bit misty in places, just a chance of the odd rumble of thunder again to the north of Wales, northwest England into Northern Ireland, and still cold enough perhaps in some of the more sheltered parts of Scotland for just a touch of frost, but ideally we're looking at a mainly mild night for a good part of the United Kingdom. And a warm day to come tomorrow as well. We're looking at again at 24 or 25 degrees Celsius, more in the way of sunshine, still that mistiness around North Sea coast, particularly on the eastern side of Scotland. But we're likely to see one or two showers coming and going, but a lot of sunshine. If you are out and about, this is our sun index for tomorrow, highest in the south, a moderate to high of 5 or 6, a little bit lower further north. Now, the forecast into the weekend brings the area of high pressure over a large part of the United Kingdom through Saturday, and then this low sweeps up from the south and brings with it the threat of some thundery showers coming to some of the more southern coastal regions, and also freshening that easterly breeze, which will take the edge off the temperatures. So Saturday's forecast gives us figures of 24 or 25, quite widespread those figures as well. Still that breeze developing, so by the time we get to lunchtime on Sunday, we're likely to see more cloud in the south and generally just that little bit cooler, and one or two showers also turning up across parts of Scotland. Europe sees cooler air as well, because they're likely to see a cold northerly wind developing across the more eastern parts of Europe, so we're having the best of the weather certainly as we move through the weekend. Bye for now.